Today I'm going to meet my best friends at the park so we can have a picnic. I just need to pick up some groceries first. Do you want to come with me? I'm very excited to see my friends. I haven't seen them all week. I'm sure we'll have a good time in the park today. We'll have a lovely picnic and play frisbee. I better do my grocery shopping quick so I can see them as soon as I can. First, let's go to the florist. We need some lovely flowers to enjoy during our picnic. While we're driving, can you count to 10 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With addition, you're giving more of something. When you add two numbers, you are putting them together and making a bigger number. Today, we'll be using addition as we do our groceries. Every time we pick something up, we'll be adding it to the number of things we're bringing to the picnic. In the end, we'll have a total number of things we've added together today. Just remember, when you're adding, you're giving more of something to the total. Here we are! It's time to pick up the flowers. Now we have one thing with us. Next, let's go pick up the picnic basket from my mom's house. She is so nice for letting me borrow it, but I have to get it or else we'll have nowhere to place all the groceries I'm getting today. Come on. Here we are at my mom's house. Let me go inside and get the basket. Be right back. My mom is the best. She let me borrow the picnic basket and even bake me some cookies. Can you believe that? Now we can add the picnic basket and the cookies to the things we already have. How many is that now? We had one thing and now we're putting two more. We say that as 1 plus 2 is equal to? That's right, 3. We already have 3 things for the picnic. That's great. But I still need to pick up food for my friends. We need crackers, juice, and a healthy salad. Let's go to the healthy and friendly neighborhood store and pick these up. Here we are at the store. Let me go get the things we need. I'll be right back. Oh, sorry that took so long. Okay, now let's add what we just got to what we already have. We already have 3 items with us and we are adding crackers, juice, and salad. How many items do you think we have now? Can you add that for me? How many is 3 plus 3? Do you know what that is equal to? That's right, 6! You are doing such a good job. You're great at addition. Now, we need to pick up some sunscreen. Did you know that you should never go outside without sunscreen? Remember to always put on sunscreen to protect you from the heat outside. Your parents will help you with this, I'm sure. I'm gonna go to the surf shop to pick up the sunscreen me and my friends need. Let's go. Here we are. I'll be right back. If I put this sunscreen in the basket, how many items will we have? We already have 6 and we'll be adding another one. So we write that as 6 plus 1 and it's equal to? Do you know what it is? That's right, it's 7. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. We added the number 1 to the number 6 to get the number 7. Isn't addition fun? Okay, we have one more stop to make. I have to pick up presents for my friends. It will be so fun to surprise them and show them I care. Ooh, I bet they aren't suspecting a thing. It will be so good to see their smiling faces. We'd better get going or else we'll be late for the picnic. Let's head to the gift shop and pick up 3 presents for my 3 friends. Here they are! I am meeting 3 friends at the park and I got 1 present for each of them. That means I have 3 presents. If I add my 3 presents to the 7 items we already have, how many things will we be carrying on our way to the picnic? What is 7 plus 3? What do we get when we add 7 and 3 together? Do you know? That's right, 10! Since we've added all our things together, we have 10 items now. I think we're ready to head to the picnic. Thank you so much for helping me count and add today. I wouldn't have been able to do it without you. Now that I have my 10 items, I am ready for the picnic. Bye! I'll see you next time. Thank you for learning addition with me. Thank you for joining us in this episode of Ride Along Learning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to I Am Learning to join us on our next adventures. Bye! We'll have a lovely picnic and play frisbee.
Now we have one thing with us.
Next, let's go pick up the picnic basket.